There's a hidden feature in Helium browser that can seriously speed up your browsing. It's called Bangs, and once you start using them, it's hard to go back. Let's take YouTube as an example. Normally, if you want to search for something on YouTube, you would first open the YouTube website, wait for it to load, click on the search bar, and then type what you want to find. Some people search through Google first and then open the YouTube result afterward, which takes even more steps. With Bangs and Helium browser, you can skip all of that. Instead, you can type a simple shortcut directly into the browser search bar. For example, if you want to search for relaxing music on YouTube, you can type the YouTube Bang shortcut followed by your search term and then press enter. Helium browser will instantly open the YouTube search results for you automatically. That's basically how Bangs work. They are special search shortcuts that let you search directly on specific websites without opening those websites manually first. This makes browsing much faster, especially if you regularly use websites like YouTube, Reddit, GitHub, Wikipedia, Amazon, or many others. So how do you actually know which Bang shortcut belongs to a website? You might discover Bangs naturally while typing in the search bar because after entering an exclamation mark in the first few letters of a website name, Helium browser can start suggesting matching Bang shortcuts automatically. To see the full list, simply go to the Helium website at helium.computer. At the top of the page, click on Bangs. This will open the complete Bangs list where you can browse shortcuts for many popular websites and services. It's a good idea to look through the list and memorize a few Bangs for the websites you use most often. Even learning just 2 or 3 shortcuts can noticeably speed up your daily browsing. Once you get used to using Bangs, it becomes hard to go back to the slower traditional way of searching websites manually. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.